Hello everyone, it's Lucy here and my arts and crafts studio. So it's winter outside, it's very cold, and if you live in Russia, then you are probably aware of how incredibly cold it is here. Most of the regions always experience loads of snow, the bitterly cold wind. So today I suggest using such weather to our advantage. Let's do a fun winter craft project that will show our kids the beauty of the cold. So today we are creating some winter ornaments, some simple ice winter ornaments. Just take a look at it. Ready? Let's get started then. First, you need to gather some supplies, and I've prepared a box full of supplies. Let's take a look at it. So you will need some plastic containers, or you can use molds, sand molds, a string, or probably a ribbon, and some decorations. I've got sequins of different shapes and colors. I've got dried oranges. We use them as decorations for Christmas. Orange peels, and some pine needles or fir tree needles. That's what I have. So you can also use banana slices or blueberries or any other materials, even apples. And you will also need a bowl of water, spoons, and of course scissors. So let's set to work. First of all, you take the string or a ribbon, you cut it, cut the string and tie it into a loop. First of all, you need to take containers. Everyone needs a container. Take containers. So now we will fill the containers with some of the decorations. You need to take a loop, a string. You need to take a string and place it into your container like this. Now take spoons, please. Okay, so this is water. You need to pour some water into the container. Smash, you can move your container closer to the bowl with water. Yes, slowly.